Welcome back. Let's complete our Tiffany Blue series by doing some table settings and napkins. Now, because I like everything to match, I wanted to make my own table napkins. Now, if you're not a sewer, don't be put off. There are other ways of doing it. So all I did was buy a metre of this material, just plain cotton in the colour I wanted, and I've cut it. 1 metre of fabric will give you 4 napkins. And instead of sewing them, because I know not everyone is a sewer, I've hemmed them with this little hemming tape. Really simple. You just measure down the side, pin it, put the tape in it, iron it on, and there you go. We're going to start our table settings with these wine glasses. They're quite large and quite heavy duty, and we're going to be using those to create some really interesting effects. So I've filled my wine glasses with a variety of different shades of Tiffany blue and darker blue baubles and a couple of little silver stars. I've turned them upside down on a mirror base, and I'm just going to add some candles to them. I've used 2 different size candles, which will give us a lot of added interest. And there you have it. You can add as many or as few of these as you like. I actually like to do a whole row of them at different heights running up and down the table, but you can play around with them and see what works best for you. You can just do a clump on a mirror like this of 3 or 4, and that also looks terrific. There are endless other things you can do using the wine glass as a base. This one's got a little set of battery operated string lights, and this one's just got a little light up battery operated snow scene. So anything that you can think of that's going to look pretty on the table, put it in the glass turned up the wrong way, and there you have it.